Hey guys, welcome to Chiang Rai. Chiang Rai is the northernmost province in Thailand. We've come up here and we're going to stay here for 5 days to explore the best that it has to offer. Chiang Rai is about an 11-hour bus ride north of Bangkok, and that's how we got here, but you can catch a flight as well. Today we've come out to Wat Rong Khun, which is also known as the White Temple. So the White Temple is the most famous tourist attraction in Chiang Rai, and it's absolutely incredible. It's easily been our favourite temple that we've seen in all of our travels in Southeast Asia. The detail is so intricate in it, and the artwork inside the temple is amazing. You're not allowed to film inside there, so we can't show you inside the temple, but it's incredible all over the place. You definitely have to come and see it if you're in the area. All the way through it. You've got like Alien and Predator and the Ninja Turtles, all that sort of thing, and inside the temple there's like tons of paintings of like Pokemon and Star Wars and like superheroes and stuff, but it's really cool. We've spent like a couple of hours wandering around here as it is, but yeah, definitely if you come to Thailand in the north, come to Chiang Rai and check out the White Temple, because it's absolutely insane. Temple, which is Chiang Rai's second most famous temple. The sculptures and the artwork here are absolutely amazing. They're really intricate, and I don't think this video is even going to come close to doing it justice, but we'll show it to you as best as we can. So the next temple that we visited was Wat Phra Kaew, which is also known as the Temple of the Emerald Buddha. It's important in Chiang Rai because it's where the Emerald Buddha was discovered. The Emerald Buddha is the most significant statue of Buddha in all of Thailand. Legend says that it was forged by the gods in ancient India before being moved to Sri Lanka to save it from civil war in about 43 BC. It remained there for hundreds of years until it was eventually moved to Burma. From Burma it was then moved to Angkor Wat. In 1432, when the Thais captured Angkor Wat, it was moved back to Thailand and bounced around a little bit before finally landing in Chiang Rai. It was hidden inside the temple, and it's said that one day the temple was hit by a lightning strike to reveal the Emerald Buddha inside. It's now been moved to the Temple of the Emerald Buddha in Bangkok. Today the Temple of Wat Phra Kaew is the temple that has the most religious significance in all of Chiang Rai. When you visit here, it's free to get in and you can have a look around. There's some amazing statues, some great gardens, and there's even a pond that has a ton of turtles. There's also a museum that you can visit as well, which is really interesting and has a bunch of different artifacts and sculptures about Buddhism, as well as some great information about Buddhism as well if you want to get to know what Buddhism is all about. templed out or you just want to get out of the city, there's plenty of waterfalls, hot springs and jungle treks within a short ride. What we've done today, we've hired a bike from the middle of the city. It only cost us 200 baht to hire it for 24 hours. And we've headed up to the Khun Kom waterfall, which is the largest waterfall in the region. This one's about a 40-minute drive out of the centre of Chiang Rai. There's a bunch of local restaurants that are right against the riverside, and they've got these platforms set out in the water where you can stop and have your lunch sitting right on top of the water. So that's what we've done on the way back from the waterfall. We've stopped here and got a couple of dishes of fried rice, and we're just enjoying the scenery while we sit here and eat. So every evening in Chiang Mai there's actually this enormous night bazaar which has a market that sells all sorts of touristy things like clothes and souvenirs. There's also an enormous food court here, and that's what we've come out to do on our last day, just to eat some food from the food court. If you're lucky enough to be here on the weekend as well, there's also an enormous night market that runs almost the length of the entire town, and it's definitely worth going and checking that out if you're here on the weekend. We've loved our time here in Chiang Rai. We hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked it, don't forget to hit like down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye. Oh, it's so cool. The whole thing goes.